This is the old herb garden. I have the Greek oregano's coming back. I see some leaves on the thyme. Also, I see on the Italian oregano coming back. That's really about it. I'm gonna clean this up and start planting the rest of the herbs that I got today. So stay tuned. All right, I got them in the ground, and I also have a lot of onions. Planting a lot of onions all over. I have a lot of space left over for more herbs. But this year, first time I'm gonna be doing the onions. So the soil is real moist for them to grow. So stay tuned, and we're gonna keep a check on these things as the summer goes along. Stay tuned. Last week, I had an onion that was growing in the house, so I put it there. This thing here, I don't know what it is, I left it. I wanna see it grow and see what it's gonna be. Over here, it did good over here before. So I put the strawberries over here. This is the blueberry tree. This is the raspberry tree, which is starting to blossom. And this year, this is the grapevine. I had a 1 and 2 grapes. If it doesn't do good this year, I'm chopping it down. Okay. Over here is the romaine lettuce. This is to be honest with you, this is a lettuce, but I don't remember the name of it. And this is the head of lettuce. These are the regular lettuce. And those are the seeds that those are from seedlings. This is from my lettuce plant from last year. And the rest of this over here, I'm gonna put the gungo and Sarah.